How to make a silhouette in Affinity. Let's get into it. Begin by heading over to the selection tool and enable the selection brush tool. Make sure your mode is set to add, configure the brush size to one of your liking. I recommend enabling snap to edges and soft edges. Next, start painting over your subject to isolate it from the background. If you overpaint like I have done here, just press Option or Alt on your keyboard and just paint it back like so. Once your selection is complete, click into Refine. This will allow you to refine the selection and get it perfect. In my example here, I'm going to just refine around this hand here. I'm going to set my preview to matte black. I'm going to enable foreground and then just paint over the finger here. Next, come down to color decontamination and change the output to new decontaminated layer with mask and then choose apply. Now in your layers panel, you will have your original and the masked cutout that we've just created. Next, click into your isolated subject, come down to Effects, come to Color Overlay and enable this. This will effectively create a silhouette of your subject. Next, click Close to close out of this, and that's all there is to it.